Hi guys, मेरे चैनल में आपका स्वागत है. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Neha, and if you're returning, then welcome back. So I want to keep this video very short and informative. So being a girl, I feel like I have invested a lot of money and time on my nails, which was not worth it. So whenever we go for a nail art, it costs around like 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. Even if it's a simple nail art, and it stays for like 15 days or 20 days, so I feel like it's not worth it, because who has that kind of money and time to go to a salon every 15 days and spend 2,000 rupees? I don't know, I can't afford it. Why to invest so much money in a nail art studio when you can do it in your home? So today I'm gonna teach you how to do French nails, which is the most basic, and I think it's the most common nail art amongst girls. This is my favorite. You can wear it in an interview, you can wear it in a wedding or a club or anywhere. I mean, it's decent, simple and cute. For this, I'll pay like 2,000 rupees in a nail art studio, and at home I can do it for free. 3 easy steps and you're good to go. Let's get started. So for the French nail art, you would need a top coat, base coat and a white nail paint, and also a nail kit. And if you have a UV rays LED light, you can use gel nail paint also. So first we'll start with filing our nails. Whatever shape you like, you can file it that way. I like it rectangular shape. Before applying nail paint, make sure your nails are dry. Now we'll need this tool. Check it in your kit. I am not sure what it's called. So you need to press your nails and clean the edges. I would suggest you guys not to use buffers, as it makes your nails very thin. Now apply the base coat and make sure it's thin and smooth. I have this UV rays LED light which I got from Amazon. I think it's very useful because it just takes a minute to get your nails dried, and if you guys want it, I'll put the link in my description. So for the second step, you'll need the white nail paint applied on the tip of your nails. And don't worry even if you don't get it right on the first coat, because we can always fix that when we apply the second coat. After the application of every coat, make sure you dry your nails well, otherwise it can get messy. After that, apply the second coat, and this time you have to be very careful. After the application of second coat, we are almost done. Now we have to dry our nails and apply the top coat. So this is how it looks. You can always add a cute little nail art. I hope that was quick and useful. If you like the video guys, do not forget to share with your other girlfriends, they might need it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, the red button over there, and also press the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post a video. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Tab tak apna khayal rakhiye, be happy, bye. Let's do it.